So guys, good afternoon. Good afternoon. It's July 6, Monday, and it's 4 o'clock. So I'm done already live streaming because I connect to someone else. Charot. And I have chicken in there. Oh. Na ako'y chicken guys sa aking bintana, sa aking window. There. I want to show you. There's guy. Ano ay manoy? Tik. Tik. Dali na tik. Oh. Diba guys, I have chicken. This is my window and the chicken is here lang. This is my one and only roaster and I have only one mama hen. Oo, I have one mama hen and one this. This is the son of my mama hen. Anak siya guys, anak siya ng aking ng aking inahing manok and palangga kay siya. Very close friend. Close friend. Close friend. Siya ang aking dito guys pag umaga siya ang tagagising sa akin because she keep crowing. Diba? So ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag live stream dahil nga wala akong internet for how many, parang isang araw. But until na wala pa rin akong internet guys, nagdika na ako. Nakipiso wifi sa sentro para maka-upload and then connect sometimes connecting router. Oo. Pero if busy siya, I can't connect. So I need to go to there in the centro to connect the piso wifi. And today is Monday. I'm done already. Oy, I need to so ang gagawin ko na lang ngayon is magko-content, mag-upload mamaya sa aking sa aking mga affiliate. Nag-affiliate ko ako guys sa TikTok, pero sadly hindi pa siya talaga nagte-trending, so wala pa akong income. May income ako doon 50 plus pesos, pero at least I have na income 52 pesos I think. So yun pang aking income doon. And sa YouTube, thank you talaga guys kasi umabot ako ng $100. So may sahod ako this month and pipilitin ko makasahod ulit next month. Sana guys you help me naman for my salary next month. Sana you help me guys. So yeah, I really need the help because my uploads didn't nagbo-viral, so wala din akong income centavo. But yeah, thankful and grateful pa din.